Let's talk about assembly. When you put it together, it can jam up too tight to turn. The gears are separated right now. First, put the gear into the figure 8 frame. Install it together with the drive shaft and then the driven shaft. Line them up, fit the gears in, and press down to check they reach the bottom. Once they're at the bottom, take the top cover and rest it onto the drive shaft. Now comes the key part, installing these 2 screws. First, start the screws just a little. Then turn the shaft and see if it moves smoothly. Don't tighten the screws all at once, tighten them a bit at a time. Repeat it several times. Tighten a little, turn the shaft, then tighten a bit more. Tighten the screws a little more, then turn it a few more times. If you tighten the screws and the gears won't turn, back them off just a touch. Tighten a bit, and if the gears still won't turn, loosen them slightly again. Repeat this several times, keeping the screws tightening gradually. So the gears can keep turning very smoothly. There, it's smooth now. Then tighten the screws a bit more firmly. Now it's smooth. Repeat this several times. Don't tighten it all at once. Don't tighten these 2 corner screws down in one go. Okay, it's good now. Firmer now, tighten it just a bit more. There, now it's very smooth. Now, why won't the gears turn once you tighten these 2 screws? It's because this is a precision assembly, and the screw holes can be slightly off. Honestly, the fix is to turn the shaft while you tighten the screws. Repeat this action over and over. Keep tightening until the screws are all the way to their tightest. While keeping the shaft and the gears inside turning smoothly the whole time. Repeat the tightening and the turning several times each. Cycle through it until the gears turn smoothly and you're done.